Hello folks, how is it going? It's Daniel FX right here. So in today's video, I want to teach you guys how to use the trendline strategy to analyze the market. Like this is one of the most easiest trendline strategy for currency pairs. You can also use this strategy for VIX, that is synthetic trading. So I advise you to watch this video to the end. Yes, like I said, watch the video to the end. I'll teach you everything in this particular video. So another thing I'll advise you to do is get a pen. You get it? Get a pen and a barrel. It will help you very well while you're watching this video. Get a pen and notebook, I mean to say. Get a pen and a notebook so you could be able to write down every single thing I'm going to be teaching you in this video. You get it? So let's get into it. So first of all, you want to be starting at the higher time frame like daily time frame. You get the daily time frame bias down to the 1 hour time frame. Are you getting it? So let's get started. So first of all, when you look at this chart, you're going to notice that the market is on an uptrend. Are you getting it? The market is on an uptrend. So first of all, we're going to bring out our horizontal line and mark the recent swing low, which is this low right here. This is the recent swing low. We bring out another horizontal line and mark the recent one as well, the highs. So this is going to serve as our support and resistance. Let me put it down here. Yeah, so this is going to serve as our support and resistance. So we have a support zone and we have a resistance zone as well. So what are we going to do next? We are going to draw our trend line. Draw a trend line. What do we have? If you notice, you can see that we have a breakout. Yes, we have a breakout from the trend. Okay, so we have a trend line right here. So we have a breakout from the trend, which is right here. This is the breakout. This is the breakout. You see a breakout and a retest. Are you getting it? So we have a movement. So I think the price is actually coming to this price level right here. So let's continue. So right now we have gotten the day time frame bias. Let's also mark this swing low right here. Yeah, but this was the recent swing low. That is the recent support level. So now let's go to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, you can notice that the market is pushing to the upside. So what do we want to do on the 4 hour time frame? We want to mark out the same way we marked on the daily time frame. So this is the recent swing low, which is going to be serving as our support. Then the high, which is going to be our resistance right here. So now let's do it doing this. Let's mark our trend line. This is our trend line down to this level right here. So we have gotten our trend line. So let's mark this as well. Nice. So now we have a trend. And what does the trend says? The trend shows that the market is pushing to the upside. Are you seeing it? The market is clearly pushing to the upside. So what are we going to be waiting out for right now? We want to see a breakout. Since our target is this high right here, we want to see a breakout from this 4 hour resistance. You get it? But before we get to that price level, since we are still on the 4 hour time frame, let's still go down to the 1 hour. So right now we are on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, very nice. So we are on the 1 hour time frame right now. And what do we have? What do we have? So we have to draw our own, that is, we call this a trend line inside a trend line. Trend line inside trend lines. So let's continue. So like we did in the previous ones, we're going to mark our highs and lows. So this was the recent, let's make use of this one. think we're going to make use of this one. This was the recent swing low, and let's see, this was the recent swing high. This is one of the most easiest way, like one of the most simplest way. So let's draw our trend line. Since we have equal lows right here, so let's be drawing our trend line from here. This daily 24 4-hour low right there. So let's draw another trend line right here. I think this is better because if you watch right here, if you watch from this level, you will notice that the market broke out of the trend and came back into it right here. You can see that the market broke out. So this is a first breakout. And the market came back into the trend. So the market is still in this price level. Are you getting it? So don't be scared by the trends, by the lines. You get it? You're doing it to get the direction. You're doing it to find your way in the market. So right now we want to see a breakout. So let's also mark this line as well. Remember, our direction is where? The upside. We are going to the upside. So we want to get this high right here as our target. This is our target right here. So let's go down. So since the market is on this level right now, on the daily, on the 1 hour time frame, we are going to be stopping here. So you want to target from here. If the market is going to be able to break this 4 hour, this 4 hour resistance, then you know we are going to be getting safe travel to the upside. So let's bring out our long position because we have already gotten our bias, and have it in mind for a breakout to be confirmed, like for a breakout to be more valid, the candlestick causing the breakout must be full body candlesticks and it must be closing outside the range. Are you getting it? It must be closing out of us outside the trend, not something like this. This one closed in but returned back in. So you want to see a retest. You want to see the market rejecting, like rejecting this resistance. If the market is to break out of this resistance, this 4 hour resistance, you want to see the market retesting the resistance level and continue the up the market, the movement to the upside. So if there's no rejection to this resistance level, do not enter the market. You want to see rejections in these levels we just marked. So this is very, very easy. You can see how I did it. You start from the daily time frame down to the 4 hour time frame. As you mark your support and resistance, also mark the trend line. This will give you a direction of where the market is actually going to. So right now you have to make it your goal that you have to, like, your target should be the daily time frame area. So right now all you are waiting for, if the market is actually doing anything, let me say for example, as we finish analyzing the market and the market started coming to these levels, that is none of your business. All you have to do is just set your order right here. Wait for the market to cross this line. If you want to set your order, you set your order here. Once the market breaks this line, it takes you in. You are in. But if you start, like, you want to know what the market is going to be doing on all those levels, you might end up losing your money, wasting your time around here. Meanwhile, the main money is around here because this is where the market is going to. This is just to deceive you, just to confuse traders. And a lot of people who are greedy will want to enter the market from here. No, wait. Are you getting it? You enter from here. Safe zone. Very, very easy. So like I said, this strategy works very, very well for VIX 25, VIX 75, all VIX pairs. Very, very well. It works for all VIX pairs. For currency pairs, it also works as well for GBP USD and Euro USD. So we can call it trend line, support and resistance, and breakout and retest. So you want to wait for the retest and enter the market. So I guess this is very, very easy. All you have to do is be patient. Set your order and be patient. Thanks for watching.